so to install the Wonder Guy Scratcher on a Polaris Matryx Assault 146, you're going to take your scratcher kit. So in the box you'll have two guy scratchers. You'll have this bolt with a black plug and your nut on the end. And then each side you're going to have two mounting brackets. One is going to be thicker than the other and have this machine portion. That machine portion is going to go inside this slot in your rail, right behind your torsion spring, just like that. And the thinner part goes on the back side, inside the rail. So what you're going to do first thing is take your bolt here, take the nut off, take your scratcher and drop this into your scratcher, just like that. And then you can put your ice scratcher, put the bolt hole through and align the scratcher with this small hole and this curve, like that. And you can put that in your rail. Take the backing plate, put that on the inside. Take your nut, thread that on by hand. 9/16 wrench on the inside. And then a 9/16 socket on the outside. And you're going to tighten that until it's all snug. There's no wiggle in your mounting bracket, and your scratcher is on there firm. Make sure your scratcher is pointing straight down. You don't want it to be pointing forward when you install it. You want it straight down like this. That way you can go forward and back. And then this is the rail brace. This is my machined rail brace, which is the top tier option. If you have your factory rail braces on there, you can either hang this on your bump stop, hang that on your bump stop like that, or you can use the rail guard, which goes on the inside or outside of your factory rail brace, and it's a little plastic hook, just like goes right here, and that holds it in place. To install the rail guard, you're going to take the two bolts from your factory rail brace off, put your rail guard over your rail brace or on the inside, and then put those bolts back through, tighten those together, and you'll have that all ready to go.